Known as a pilgrimage town and a spiritual center to many around the world, this city is as busy as it gets. Diving right in, we decided to head straight to the center and visit the vibrant marketplaces where we drank pistachio coffee for the first time in our lives, tried a unique Turkish dessert, and visited a 900-year-old mosque. The streets and bazaar alleys were filled with people, even though it was a Sunday. We found all sorts on sale, but one thing I kept coming across were herbs, spices, and coffee. Our visit today also takes us to the famous Gumrukhani, which historically was an old roadside inn where travelers rested and recovered from their journey. Today it is known as the city's most buzzing and atmospheric cafe. Join us as we take you around to explore this splendid city. We've got some coffees down here, herbs and spices, and traffic as well. Some more herbs and spices here. A crazy shawarma shop. And then more herbs and spices. More herbs and spices, and I think this is coffee here. And we're looking for a specific coffee shop called Gumrukhani, and I think it's down here. I think it's down here called Gumrukhani. So we've got our gloves here, and look at these big gates as you're welcomed. This place here is known to serve this really nice dessert called shilshek, I think it is, and also a pistachio type of coffee. So we're going to try that out now. So we're going to sit down over here. So this place is called Gumrukhani, and you can enter from various sides, and it's all in the middle courtyard here, and there's various shops all the way around, and then you just place your order. There's people here, and the famous thing to try here is a pistachio coffee and also a dessert called shilik coffee, which we're going to try right now.
And we've also got a Turkish chai here, a simple chai, no sugar.
So I've just placed an order for this wonderful dessert called shilik, and it's a simple dessert. It's made from like a few like crepe-like layers with crumbs of walnut, and it's drenched in like sugar syrup and topped with pistachio crumbs. It does look heavy, but it has a very light taste, and been told by the locals that it won't really give you a sugar rush. This here is called menengiç kahvesi, so it's like a espresso shots, like a normal Turkish coffee, I think. Espresso shots, I'm not really sure, but it's topped with pistachios and walnuts again. So you can go upstairs, and there's a masjid in the terrace area, so, which is just here, I think. You can head inside. So you can kind of spend the afternoon or evening or even the night here. Eat, drink, coffee, and then come here and pray your salah. So I'll quickly show you a view from the top, what it looks like. Took us a while finding this place because it's kind of hidden away within the streets. So as you can see here, how this place works is you come inside, you take a seat wherever you want, anywhere, and then basically people come up to you, and there's various shops all the way around, but the name of the place, Gumrukhani, and basically you place your order, and then they come and give you whatever you like. And one of the most famous kind of coffees here is called menengiç kahvesi, which is the pistachio coffee, which I just showed you a little while ago. And then you've got your basic things like chai and normal coffee as well, which you can order. So we'll just walk around here and check this place out, and then we'll head out back into the streets to see what's going on there. Here's some fresh fruits, pomegranates, apples, lemons, some socks for your sock needs. And then over there you have some desserts. And then here you have a minaret of, I'm not sure what the name of this mosque is here, but this area looks like it's a chill out zone. for people. Shukran. For Saturday and Sundays, it's a Sunday today, and that's why it's quite busy out here. Shukran. And a lot of people will ask you to go inside and eat in their restaurants here, but they don't bug you like they do in places like India and Dubai. So I'm going to quickly go and show you one of the oldest mosques in Turkey, in this region especially, and it was actually constructed in, I think it's 1175. So this mosque that we're going to is about 240 meters straight up ahead. But for Sundays, it's quite busy here. So the mosque is just up ahead there, so let's get closer and have a look to see what we can find. So we've made it to the mosque, and as you can see there, it says Ulu Jami, built in 1175, making it nearly 900, well, making it 900 years old pretty much, nearly 1,000 years old. And just in front of the mosque you have all the shopping area and the courtyard where you can sit down and chill out. So I might just go inside and have a quick look what the masjid is like. So as it says, it was built between 1170 and 1175. So as we enter the masjid, we have the courtyard here. And of course on the day of Jummah, this place does get quite busy. And then right ahead over there, I think you've got the entrance for the main prayer hall inside. And then just in front here, you've got the graveyard. And it's very common for Turkish graves to have these kind of tall, rectangular shaped structures. And even some of them have a turban on top, some of them are green, but most of them are this one colour. The wudu area is outside here, and there's a load of cats there. And I think they've come here because someone's given out food. So let's just go check them out. They look ferocious. Yes. So this part actually reminds me a little bit of Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. The style of the arches and the bricks used. A lot of the bricks used are made from limestone rock here, and there's quite a lot of quarries around the area from which you can find limestone rocks quite easily. I'm going to try to get inside, see if I can find, yeah, there we are. So that's the entrance there, so let's see if we can get inside. I think that's the minaret of the mosque there, which is quite a bit of a distance from the actual main mosque. So here we have the main prayer hall, very neat, very beautifully designed, and what's nice about this mosque is they haven't really put any tile works or anything like that on the walls, which is really nice. They've maintained the old kind of brickwork layout, and it's absolutely beautiful going all the way down there. The way the arches look, you know, all of them just joining up. It looks amazing. I mean, this would make for a a perfect kind of selfie spot, or a perfect Instagram picture, or even a nice book cover. But it's really well done. It looks very old, but at the same time it looks very clean and modern. And historically, mosques were made in such a way that they were at the center of the society, of community, sorry. They were at the center of the community, and around the mosque you had shops and markets and things like that. Shops and markets around the mosque. That's how it was historically, and that is the case here as well, and that's the case for many places around the world. So there's plenty of space in here. It's nice and cool in here, and it's nice and cool because of the layout. I mean, how they've constructed the masjid. So 1170 to 1175, that is very old. But subhanallah, it's standing strong. May Allah keep it here. And we'll head back out now. So the style pretty much stays the same outside as well. The way they've styled the arches and the way they've laid it out. I mean, this could have easily been part of the inside as well. But there's plenty of space inside. So we're just waiting for the Maghrib Adhan. We're going to pray Maghrib and then head off. So I hope you enjoyed that short tour of Sanliurfa and also this 900+ year old mosque. Please subscribe, like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. Hope to see you in another video soon.